My name is Jim Bosiljevac. I am an assistant professor of practice here at Moody. So primarily I teach in the Texas Creative Sequence, which is Portfolio 1, 2, 3, and 4. The portfolio sequence is all geared toward developing creatives who then can go off and work at an advertising agency. But what we are trying to really do is develop all the other parts that go around the creative so that's applicable to business. There's a bunch of aspects of the creativity that goes beyond just the generation of the idea. When we say creative in generating ideas is part of it, but there's the critical thinking, there's the evaluation of those ideas, what works, what's right. I tend to be optimistic about the creative potential of it, but I think as a creative tool, I think it's unparalleled. We don't do it in Portfolio 1. You learn the process first, and then we're going to lay AI on top of it. The second thing is I want everybody to feel comfortable telling the story of how they got to the work. And it's not just for me, but I want to hear how they problem solve. I want to hear their thought process. It's also for employers. That's what a lot of employers are looking for now. It's not necessarily just the output. If what you're doing is an art piece, probably don't use AI at all. If what you're doing is you're trying to come up with a compelling ad campaign and you need a cultural insight, AI could help you do that. You know you're doing this well. It's really simple, I think. I mean, it's not easy, but it's simple because the work is good. AI empowers creatives to be pretty good strategists, to be pretty good brand managers. The thing that's going to separate you is can you think strategically? Do you have taste? I think creatives can expand their roles with AI.